In today's video, we'll follow your story through the world of crypto terms, from the very beginning until you become an expert on the subject. Once upon a time, there was you, a curious person, one of those who always seeks to understand how things work. One day you heard about something called Bitcoin and the world of cryptocurrencies, and that sparked something in you that you couldn't quite explain, but it was something you saw huge potential in. Then a simple question started echoing in your mind. How can a currency that I can't see or touch have value? And that's how you decided to dive into this world, where each answer seemed to open new doors and more questions. Entering the cryptocurrency market can seem complicated with so many new terms and concepts to learn, right? Today we're going to follow you as you're starting to understand the basics of the crypto market, on a journey through the universe of market terms and jargon, and help you unravel this alphabet soup. So leave your like and subscribe to follow more uncomplicated crypto content. Like many of us, you'll start with the basics. Bitcoin. You'll learn that Bitcoin is the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, but you'll soon realize that it's not alone in this digital world. Soon, you'll discover altcoins. Besides Bitcoin, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with a different purpose. It will be like opening a door to new possibilities, and some coins will immediately catch your attention. Ethereum will be one of the first that will leave you intrigued. When you discover that Ethereum allows the creation of smart contracts and dApps, decentralized applications, you will realize that this technology goes far beyond a currency. These dApps work without intermediaries, and for you, it will be like seeing the future take shape. Then comes Cardano, a currency that seeks to be more secure and scalable, built on a solid foundation of academic research. You will like the idea that Cardano is not just a currency, but a project focused on solving crypto market problems responsibly. Next, you'll meet Ripple, which will catch your attention because of its focus on fast, low-cost transactions between banks. The possibility of sending value around the world in seconds will make you see the disruptive potential of cryptocurrencies in the financial sector. And of course, you'll find Dogecoin, the coin that started as a joke, but gained a passionate community. You will realize that in the crypto world, even the most unexpected ideas can gain value when they have a loyal audience. Decided to take your first steps, you need a place to buy your coins and a safe way to store them. This is where you learn about exchanges and wallets. Exchanges are platforms where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You can start by using a centralized exchange like Binance and find the process simple and intuitive. But soon you will discover decentralized exchanges or DEX, like Uniswap, which allow direct transactions between users without a company controlling them. You will be excited by the idea of freedom that these exchanges offer. To store your coins, you will need a wallet, or in this case, a digital wallet. Then you will discover that each wallet has a public key, which serves as an address to receive crypto, and a private key, which must be kept absolutely secret as it gives full access to the funds. You will realize that the private key is like the password to your traditional bank checking account and that its security is fundamental. With the coins in hand and a secure wallet, you can start to wonder what really defines the value of cryptocurrencies. The first concept you should know is market cap, or market capitalization. You will learn that market cap represents the total value of a coin in circulation, and that it is an important metric for understanding the confidence and stability of a cryptocurrency. You can start to see Bitcoin as a safer store of value. Then, you'll discover that each coin has a total supply, which is the number of coins already created, and a maximum supply, the total limit that can be produced. This concept will make you understand how scarcity can influence the value of a coin, like Bitcoin, which has a limit of 21 million units. And of course, you'll soon learn about liquidity, which is how easily a coin can be bought or sold without affecting its price too much. You will notice that popular coins, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are more liquid and ideal for those who want to trade quickly. With a better understanding of the value of coins, you begin to explore investment strategies and the terms investors use every day. You will soon understand that the market goes through cycles of ups and downs. The bull market represents periods of rising prices, while the bear market is when prices fall. Understanding these cycles will help you recognize opportunities and plan your investments. You will also learn that going long means betting on a coin's price going up, and you should do so if you think the market is bullish. While going short is betting on the price falling, and should be reserved for a market that is bearish. You will see that these strategies are used to maximize gains, but they require experience and knowledge. And of course, you'll soon come across the famous term HODL, a term that started as a typo for the word hold, and which means holding your cryptocurrencies long-term, without being shaken by market fluctuations. This motto of patience will soon become your mantra. As you explore further, you'll see that understanding the costs and ensuring the security of transactions is essential to ensure a favorable balance. You will come across gas fees paid on transactions on the Ethereum network, and you will soon realize that these fees can vary greatly, and that it is important to choose the right time to make transactions to save on these fees and reduce the cost of each operation. You will also learn the term fiat currency, which refers to traditional currencies like the dollar and the euro, used to buy cryptocurrencies on exchanges. And there will be the day when you discover the concept of fork, a split in the blockchain that creates a new coin from another. This will help you understand how blockchains are flexible and can adapt. As you gain more confidence, you begin to explore the tools and technologies that drive the crypto market. Smart contracts will revolutionize your view of contracts. You will discover that these contracts are programmable and executed automatically when certain conditions are met. Without intermediaries, you will see there the bright future of contracts. You will also learn about liquidity pools of liquidity that guarantee trades on decentralized exchanges, and yield farming, which allows you to earn interest by lending your crypto. You will realize that this is an innovative way to make your investment grow. Finally, the concept of DeFi, or decentralized finance, will show you that financial services can be recreated in an open environment accessible to everyone. For you, DeFi will represent a new era for finance. You will realize that the crypto market is not just about investment, but also about community and active participation. DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, will catch your attention. You will discover that in these organizations, decisions are made collectively, where anyone can vote and help define the future of the project. You will also come across the concept of airdrop, the free distribution of tokens to platform users. This encourages engagement, and you will see that it is a great strategy for new projects. Today, you look back and see how much you've learned, but you know that the crypto market is constantly changing. From being curious, you become someone with a mature and confident vision in this universe. And although you still have much to discover, now you feel prepared for the future, knowing that you are part of this revolution. If you are inspired and ready to live your own story in the crypto world, subscribe to the channel and share this video. Because knowledge is the best investment, and you are just beginning your story. Let's go on this journey together.